So then I said, Piper, I don't even know her.
Nice.
So I have no idea what to do for this video.
Dude, you should do a music video.
No, not allowed to. In all honesty, I'm thinking about just dropping the class, trying again next semester.
Dude, you just need to clear your mind. You should go work out.
No, I didn't even think about that. Give me 15. How about a video about a lawyer that tries to go into the circus? Nah. What about a spider that gets bit by a man and has man powers? Nah. What about a video of a guy that tries to swim across the Pacific Ocean and gets halfway across before he's eaten by a whale? Nah.
Think of anything?
Nope.
It's rough.
Wait. What if I did a video about two guys trying to make a video?
It's the worst idea I've ever heard.
Dude, help me.
Alright, I will.
Sweet! I'll go get my camera. Joe!
What's up?
Yo, I don't think this is gonna work.
That sucks. Wanna go work out?
Yeah.
Sweet.